Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix battery drain and heating issue in iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining about that their iPhones are getting heated and their battery is draining too fast and don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, if you are also facing this issue on your iPhone 15, so you are in the right video. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this. First of all, you have to do is close your background apps. To do this, if you have used a lot of apps and which they are consuming your background process, so you have to do is simply close them all. After this, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. Update often include bug fixes that can improve battery life and performance. So you have to go to your settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update, and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone 15 to the latest version of iOS. After this, then you have to do is check your battery usage. Go to your settings, go to battery to see which apps are using the most battery. If you spot any rough apps, considering updating or installing them. After this, then you have to do is reduce the screen brightness, lower the screen brightness or enable auto brightness. You can do this from your control center, or to enable auto brightness you have to go to your accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down and then you can see your option auto brightness. If it's disabled, then simply enable it. After this, then you have to do is turn off your background app refresh. To do this, you have to go back, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, again tap on background app refresh, and if it's unable, so you have to make sure that it's disabled. And another thing which you have to disable it is called location services. Some apps consistently use your location, draining both the battery and your patient. Go to your settings, go to privacy and security, tap on location services, and if these are unable, then you have to do is disable them. After this, then you have to do is enable your low power mode. To do this, simply you have to go back, then tap on battery. After this, then tap on low power mode and enable it. After trying this all solution and still facing the same issue, then you have to do is reset settings. If all else fails, try resetting your iPhone settings. This won't erase your data, but it will reset settings like Wi-Fi password and wallpapers to their default. To do this, simply you have to go back, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.